Let me be honest, if Bill Gates had watched this video, he would have liked the 7th printer on our list. But I love 5 and 2 because they are budget-friendly. So whether you're a hobbyist, a designer, or diving into the world of professional prototyping, we've hand-picked the top 3D printers that deliver exceptional print quality, reliability, and advanced features. We'll break down each printer's key specs like build volume, print resolution, filament compatibility, connectivity, and ease of use to help you find the perfect machine for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the best deals. Let's jump in and find the ultimate 3D printer for you. Number 8. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. I'll be honest, when I first heard Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, I thought, cool name, probably just another fast 3D printer. I even assumed the carbon part was just marketing hype. Yeah, that thought didn't survive very long. The X1 Carbon isn't just fast, it's smart. Built on a CoreXY system, it delivers insanely high speeds, up to 500 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, while still producing clean, precise prints that don't look rushed. It feels less like operating a printer and more like watching a machine that already knows what it's doing. Then there's the intelligent stuff. The LiDAR-based first-layer inspection scans and corrects your print automatically, and the AI camera catches spaghetti failures before they ruin hours of work, which is honestly a lifesaver if you've ever walked back to a filament disaster. This printer is also built for serious materials, with a hardened steel nozzle, hardened gears, and a fully enclosed chamber. The X1 Carbon handles PLA, PETG, ABS, ASA, nylon, and carbon fiber filaments with ease. Add the optional AMS, and you get smooth, multicolor, and multi-material printing without the usual hassle. Put it all together, and the touchscreen controls, auto bed leveling, vibration compensation, and network connectivity make the X1 Carbon feel polished, powerful, and surprisingly easy to live with. So if your video is about a machine that feels more like a high-speed production partner than a hobby printer, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is the one that quietly redefines what next level really means. Number 7. Bambu Lab P2S. Why? Speedy, reliable, ready to go. And now it's upgraded. P2S is here. Brand new 5-inch touchscreen. So easy, even your grandma can use it. Of course, just touch, more power means more speed, smooth printing every time, great results every time. Easy nozzle swaps. Ready for another print? Spaghetti? Blobbing? Relax, it's got your back. Everything's under control. Go have a cup of tea or soak up the applause. Mix and match. Change the style. PLA, ABS, TPU. Perfection every time. Oh, and remember, give them a quick dry. Make it hot, goodbye warping. Make it cool, improved overhang. Print, print, print. Pick up the prints. Make your ideas a reality. The most popular, for a reason. This time, no substitutes. The classic reborn P2S. Number 6. Elegoo Saturn IV Ultra 16K. You ever hit print and just stop to admire what's happening? That was me with the Elegoo Saturn IV Ultra 16K. This thing doesn't just print, it performs. The moment I powered it on, that massive 10-inch 16K mono LCD lit up with jaw-dropping clarity. 18-micron precision so sharp it feels unreal. The new tilt release system and linear guide rail make every layer transition butter smooth, cutting print times like crazy. The 30°C constant temperature chamber keeps resin conditions perfectly stable, so no more warped or inconsistent results. Add the smart mechanical sensor, and this machine actually thinks, detecting resin levels, monitoring performance, and keeping everything perfectly in sync. The fully automatic leveling? Yeah, that means no calibration headaches. Just tap and it dials itself in flawlessly. Combine that with wireless printing through the Elegoo app and you're literally running high-precision prints from your couch. See?
Every part of this design feels intentional. The solid metal frame, the upgraded processing board, and the speed that makes even complex models look effortless. The Saturn IV Ultra 16K isn't just powerful, it's smart, elegant, and built to make printing fun again. Once you experience this level of precision, there's no going back.
Number 5. Creality K1 SE. I've tried more 3D printers than I can count, and after the first hour with the K1 SE 2024, I legit looked at my old machine like, did you even want to print things? The moment I hit start, the dual-core 1.2 GHz CPU kicked in and everything just moved. No lag, no hesitation. This thing is processing like it already knows what you want.
The built-in AI LiDAR first layer scanner hands the calibration to the machine and says, I got this. So your first layer goes down flawless while you grab coffee. Dual heat-free auto leveling means bed adjustments are gone. One tap, you're good to go. With the heater blasting to 200 degrees C in 40 seconds, you're not waiting, you're printing. And when I say speed, I mean it. Up to 600 millimeters per second, and the build volume keeps up, so your prints don't feel like baby steps anymore. The CoreXY architecture, paired with a whip-fast vacuum of acceleration, 20,000 millimeters per second squared, makes motion feel smooth, crisp, and surprisingly quiet. Throw in the Creativity Cloud app, Wi-Fi control, remote monitoring, and upload from your phone. Yep, you're printing while you're making dinner. And when you see it print detail after detail, it hits. This is how modern 3D printing should feel. The K1 SE isn't just an upgrade, it's the jump from meh to wow. If you're serious about creating fast, clean, and smart, this is the machine telling you it's ready. Let's print something awesome. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. You ever press print on something and instantly think, oh, this means business? That was me the moment I fired up the A1 Mini Combo. I've tried plenty of printers before, but this one just works. Fast, smart, and ridiculously smooth. The compact build volume, 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters, hides speed and precision that feel way beyond its size. And the bundled AMS light system means you're not just printing in one color, you're mixing, switching, and multicoloring like a pro. The all-metal frame with full linear rails, active flow rate compensation, and plug-and-play setup took all the "why is this not working" stress off my plate. Auto calibration, bed leveling, nozzle checks, done in seconds. Wi-Fi, camera, the Bambu Studio or Bambu Handy app, and I'm monitoring prints from my couch with zero babysitting required. Even the noise? Under 48 dB in silent mode. The A1 Mini Combo doesn't just print, it feels like your ideas get supercharged. Once you try it, your old printer will start asking for a raise. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. You know that feeling when you try something new and instantly think, wait, why doesn't everyone have this already? That was me with the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. I've used a ton of 3D printers before, but this one? It's like the perfect blend of speed, intelligence, and pure fun. From the second I powered it on, the 32-bit high-speed processor kicked in like a race car engine, smooth, stable, and ready to go. The Levi Q2. Endress Zero auto leveling system completely took the stress out of setup. It just scans, adjusts, and boom, perfect first layer every single time. Then there's the direct drive extruder. It's crazy precise, giving cleaner lines, tighter detail, and zero stringing even on tricky prints. When it hits 600 millimeters per second speed with 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, I literally laughed. It's that fast. The vibration and flow compensation keeps everything steady, so no matter how wild your design is, every layer lands exactly where it should. And taking off prints, the magnetic PEI build plate makes it so satisfying. Just pop and done. But here's where it gets cool. The Color Engine add-on lets you do multicolor printing, so your designs don't just print, they pop. Add in Wi-Fi control through the Anycubic app, and suddenly you're monitoring prints from your phone like a pro. No babysitting, no stress. It's compact, quiet, and honestly looks as good as it performs. The Cobra S1 Combo isn't just another 3D printer. It's a full-on creative assistant that's fast, smart, and actually fun to use. Once you see it in action, you'll get it. This isn't a printer, it's the future of desktop making. Rocket fire. And the best part? It makes even beginners look like pros. Seriously, your first print will feel like something out of a design studio. After using this, every other printer just feels outdated. Number 2. Creality K2 Plus Combo. You know that feeling when you unbox something and instantly realize it's built different? Yeah, that was me with the Creality K2 Plus Combo. I've used plenty of 3D printers before, but this one, it feels like Creality finally decided to go all in. From the moment I powered it on, the dual-gear direct drive extruder started humming like it had something to prove. Smooth, steady, and insanely precise. And the print area? A massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters. We're not talking keychains anymore. We're talking helmets, prototypes, full-on display pieces. The first time I saw it hit 600 millimeters per second speed with 30,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, I actually laughed. It's that fast. Then you've got the actively heated chamber that keeps prints flawless even on tricky materials, and that 350-degree high-temp nozzle that lets you go from PLA to ABS, PTG, or even nylon without breaking a sweat. The CFS multicolor system is where it really flexes, up to 16 filaments at once, seamlessly swapping mid-print like it's pulling off a magic trick. Every layer just stacks perfectly thanks to the AI-powered dual cameras that monitor everything in real time. It literally corrects itself before you even notice an issue. The Matrix die-cast frame gives it tank-like stability, so vibration isn't even part of the conversation. And with Wi-Fi plus Ethernet connectivity, remote printing and monitoring from the Creality Cloud app feels ridiculously easy. Even the magnetic PEI build plate adds that extra satisfaction. Just flex and your print pops right off. The moment I started using it, I realized this isn't just another printer, it's a full-on creative workstation. The K2 Plus Combo doesn't just make printing easier, it makes it exciting again. Once you see how clean, fast, and colorful this thing can get, you'll never look at your old printer the same way. And here's the thing, it doesn't just print, it performs. Every move feels intentional. Every detail feels engineered for creators who care. It's not just a tool, it's your imagination in machine form. After using the K2 Plus, I didn't just start printing more, I started dreaming bigger. Number 1. Prusa Core 1. You ever see a printer that makes you stop and go, wait, this is real? Because that's exactly how I felt the first time I used the Prusa Core 1. I've tested so many printers that I thought nothing could surprise me anymore. And then this sleek orange beast showed up. From the moment I powered it on, it just felt premium. Every click, every motion, every print, buttery smooth. The CoreXY system runs like a dream, super fast, yet whisper quiet. Then there's the direct drive extruder, giving me that perfect balance of speed and precision. No stringing, no mess, just flawless layers that look like they were carved by light itself. What really blew my mind was how smart this thing is. The fully automatic bed leveling, the smart sensors that catch filament issues before they ruin your print, and the Wi-Fi control that lets you monitor everything from anywhere. Plus, it supports multi-material printing, so I'm over here making models that actually look finished, not like a work in progress. The build quality? Pure Prusa. Rock-solid metal frame, industrial-grade components, and reliability that just doesn't quit. It's one of those printers that makes you want to print everything. Phone stands, helmets, art pieces, random stuff you don't even need, because it's just that fun. If 3D printers had a flagship energy, this one's wearing the crown. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, so thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and connect with us for the latest technology and review. We receive motivation of your feedback. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you.